Good afternoon. This is Emma. Today's video is a coloring party with friends. It is hosted by Grandma Sandy, and I have come along to show you my colorings. I have 3 colorings here that I have already colored. And this one is Sing of the Lord's Great Love Forever. I used to color all the time. As I said, it is very soothing. This one is Mightier Than the Waves of the Sea. The Lord on high is mighty. The third one is Be Still and Know that I am God. And these are the 3 that I have finished. I want to thank Grandma Sandy for giving me the opportunity to be a part of her coloring party on Monday. This is the drawing that I have started. I haven't finished this one, but this is what I'm working on this morning. The name of my coloring book is The Psalms in Color. Reflect, relax, and rejoice. It also, on the inside, it has cards that you can color and send out to your friends. It also has bookmarkers. And let's go back a little farther. It has gift tags. So it's really, really a wonderful coloring book. And here are the larger cards. Design team, if you have joined in today, I want to thank you for coming by for this Monday coloring party. If you're not a part of the design team, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come on in and join us. Again, I want to thank Grandma Sandy for inviting me to her coloring party with friends. And please don't forget to go by and stop at her channel to see her colorings. This is Emma, and I will be seeing you in my next video.